Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Markets plunged overnight as inflation data crushed rate cut hopes, wiping nearly $90 billion from crypto's total market cap. Bitcoin fell below $78,000, while ETF outflows hit $1 billion for the week. Meanwhile, XRP surged on regulatory progress, and THORChain suffered an $11 million exploit. The sell-off hit hard on May 17th as US Producer Price Index data came in roughly 6% above forecasts. Bitcoin currently trades at $78,408, down from over $81,000 earlier this week. Nearly 154,000 leveraged traders were liquidated, with total derivatives liquidations reaching approximately $696 million. The macro backdrop is getting uglier. The 30-year Treasury yield climbed to 5.131%, while oil prices surged, with WTI hitting $105.42 per barrel. April CPI accelerated to 3.8% year-over-year, up from 3.3% in March. This crushed hopes for Federal Reserve easing and triggered risk-off selling across equities and crypto. US spot Bitcoin ETF flows reversed violently. After 6 consecutive weeks of inflows totaling approximately $3.4 billion, flows turned sharply negative with $1 billion exiting during the past week. BlackRock's IBIT fund alone saw $136 million in outflows on May 15th. Bitcoin miners added selling pressure, dumping roughly 800 BTC worth approximately $64 million over 4 days. But not everything sold off. XRP rallied 5% in 24 hours, climbing above $1.50 after the Senate Banking Committee voted 15-9 to advance the Clarity Act on May 14th. The token currently trades at $1.42. Tokenized real-world assets on the XRP ledger have crossed $3 billion, and US-listed spot XRP ETFs attracted $25.8 million in net inflows earlier this week, bringing cumulative inflows to $1.35 billion. Senator Elizabeth Warren escalated scrutiny of World Liberty Financial, the crypto project linked to President Trump and his family. Warren sent a letter to SEC Chair Paul Atkins requesting investigation into whether the company misled investors or violated securities laws. World Liberty Financial used approximately $440 million worth of WLFI governance tokens as collateral to secure a $75 million loan through Dolomite. Regular WLFI token investors were locked out from selling during this transaction, while the token price subsequently dropped nearly 10% to a record low. THORChain suffered a suspected multi-chain exploit on May 15th, with loss estimates ranging from $10.7 million to $11 million across at least 9 blockchain networks. One of 6 Asgard vaults was reportedly compromised. The network activated emergency halts across all trading and signing operations. Rune token declined nearly 22% in 24 hours following the incident. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.